In this video we are going to see the error handling. Okay, so what is mean by the error handling? When I am saying the error handling, so let's say, let me close this one. Let's say this is the URL, right? Home, contact us, about us. Let's say by mistake, okay, some user want to hit this URL, okay, and by mistake he hits the like a URL, okay, and this URL is like we don't have this URL, we don't have available in like our roots, right? Parent, if you go to that app.js file, here we don't have anything like contacts kind of thing, right? It has the contact only. Okay, so if let's say if user is doing some mistake while hitting the URL, okay, and if we are showing as like a blank or some error kind of thing, that is not like a good impression like for our users, right? So for that one we have the like a thing called as a like error handling. So what we can do, let's say I will create another route here, okay, okay, and what I will give, I will give the star. Okay, for all the like URL whatever I have mentioned, if user is hitting that one URL, that respective component will be rendered. Apart from that one, apart from this all above URL, if user is handling if user is typing anything else apart from this URL, okay, I want one component to be called. Okay, so what I can do, you can do one thing, okay, you can you can specify the home component also. Okay, if anything else is getting called, it will like calling the home page. Okay, so here you can see you have redirected to the home page, but this is not a good thing, because here is the like URL will be like contacts, but you are displaying the home page, okay, and nothing will be like a highlighted. Okay, so instead of that one, what we can do, we can create another page that will be like error page, and that we will be display. Okay, so for that one, let me create a one component, let me create one file, let me give the like a custom error, okay, .jsx. all right, I will use the same shortcut, react error functional component with export. Awesome, so it has created. Now here I can give like a 404 page not found. Okay, here I can give the like h1 tag, okay, and inside that one I can display this error message. All right, now on this app.js file I can mention here that one custom error. Make sure you are importing this custom error. Okay, now let's try on the UI. Okay, now let me go there. So here is the error when user is trying to hit contacts or like the URL which is like apart from the routes whatever we have. Okay, if user is trying to anything else, okay, it will give the 404 page not found. If I am going to like hit the proper URL, home, it will take the form, contact us, about us. Okay, if user is trying to hit anything else, it will show the error page, that is page not found, that the error page whatever we have created. Simply what I do, I have created the one route. Okay, so it is like a last, after this whatever the expected route we are aware. Okay, apart from this one I want like a, if anything else apart from this one user is trying to hit, let's show this page. So in this way we can handle the error in the React route. you are new to channel, okay, please do subscribe, like and share the video, and do not forget to click on the notification bell icon so that whenever the new upload or new tutorial series has started, you will get the notification. So please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.